Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can create plots in R with custom colors. For this demonstration we will use two colors from my presentation slide, and I will be using the ggplot2 package from R software. Creating a custom plot has three basic steps. You need to first choose which colors you want to plot. I am going to be using this greenish color and this bluish one from my presentation template. Our next task is to get hexadecimal code for the chosen colors. So I will be using GIMP to get the hexadecimal code for this purpose. So I open part of my slide in a GIMP and click on the color picking tool, and when I select my color from the image, you can see that the hexadecimal code is shown here. So this is the hexadecimal code. We will follow similar steps for getting hexadecimal code for the blue color. Now I need to take note of the color codes in a separate file with a hash prefix like this. Now let's go to the R console. Here is my data set. It has candidate scores with type of result in column, and we will do box plot for the result type. The simplest ggplot command will print plain box plot, as you can see in the graph. To color the box plots, we will need to use arguments. So here we have arguments. This is the fill argument along with the scale manual argument specifying the two colors we chose earlier. And when I press enter, you can see the output now has two colors. Both the box plot have the colors that we chose from our template earlier. Similarly, we can change the background color of the plot by using the theme argument in the ggplot. So here we have the theme argument and specifying the color in the panel background with our custom color code. So now you can see the background color in the output has changed. So this is again a color from my template. So by changing colors in these two arguments, I have created a total of 4 plots which are matching my PowerPoint presentation template. Here you can see 2 of the plots which are matching the green and blue scheme from my PowerPoint presentation, and here are the other two images.